Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the Beautiful Balloons bundle with, actually, it's going to be the Bright and Beautiful suite of products, okay? There's only one item that we're not going to be using today, but we have the Beautiful Balloons stamp set with the Beautiful Balloons dies. And again, the Bright and Beautiful Designer Series paper. I've gone ahead and die cut some of things out and got started already, but we're just going to put this together really quick. It is a case of the annual catalog that is coming up in May. But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have our Exploring in Color Paper Pumpkin Kit for May. You have until May 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit. It makes 9 cards, comes with free stickers, and an in-color stamping spot, which is copper clay. There is a link in the description box below for you to subscribe to the paper pumpkin kit. Next up, we have our April host code for 2023. When you place an order of $60 or more before shipping and tax with Honeybee Stampin' Hive and use this particular host code, I'm going to send you 1 pack of the brushed brass butterflies for free as a thank you for ordering with me. Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are boxes that I have stuffed full of retired Stampin' Up products. Some is new, some is used, but it's in there. It's stuffed. And I'm having a moving sale, so everything must go. If you're interested in purchasing one of these boxes, you can email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. I'm just asking $40 each. Shipping is included, so you're getting a steal with this deal, okay? Please help me out and order some of these boxes because I must get all of this stuff out of my house because I am moving to a very small craft space and I don't have room for all of my extras, all right? That is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's go ahead and get started on this project. I have a base here of Blueberry Bushel that's 5.5 by 8.5 scored at 4 1/4, burnishing with our bone folder there. And we have some new color Lemon Lolly. This is, I believe, 4 by 5 1/4. Yes. And we have some basic white here that's 3.5 by 4 3/4 for our inside. And I'm going to go ahead and get this done. And I have some Designer Series paper here that is 3/4 of an inch, and we're going to just line it up on here and cut it down to 3.5. Just going to line that up, leaving a little bit of white at the bottom, not much. Okay, then we also have a piece of 5 1/8 by 3 7/8 of basic white that we're going to adhere some Designer Series paper. So I had some Designer Series paper that same size, 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, and I cut it diagonally. And I did that twice to get 2 pieces of Designer Series paper like this, okay? But before we start adhering this down, we're gonna do some die cutting. So I have 2 strips of this Designer Series paper. They're 1 inch piece, 1 inch wide, and I left them at 6 inches long, and we'll just cut it down as we need it. So what I'm gonna do is get our mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And we are going to use this particular die. It is super cute. Let me show you. So what I'm going to do here is just place this die. Whoop, I need to get it on the plates though. I'll place it like right in the middle of that piece of Designer Series paper. Hopefully I don't move it when I put my plate on. I'm just gonna run that through really quick. Okay, so let me show you what this die does. Do you hear that? Oh, look at that. It creates these little slits. Now, I did this on purpose. So this die does not cut the edges off. So you see, it's like this. However, I need it to be a fringe, so I need to cut one of my edges. So I'm going to take my little guillotine trimmer. I don't think this will be good with the paper trimmer, but with this guillotine one, it'll work just fine. And I'm going to just set this here at 3/4 of an inch. And now the ends are loose and we have fringe. Isn't that cute? So I've already done it to the other piece. So we have 2 pieces of this. And what we're going to do is take this piece here and we're just going to glue it down to the back side. Oh no. Did I make it too long? I mean, too short? I made it too short. Oh my goodness. That's no bueno. Oh well, it is what it is. We're gonna go with it. I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue here. And we're gonna pop this on. How did I make that mistake? So we have that like that. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Then we're going to take the second one. I know that's what I'll do, just like that. And we're going to pop this one on, but we're going to make it, oh, am I in frame? We're going to make it go down. You know what I need? I need my silicone mat. Excuse me just one moment. We're gonna pop this. Oh my goodness. Did you guys see me just put that glue on the wrong side? Let's put it right here. Lord have mercy. Nobody was saying anything to me. Shauna, you're gluing the wrong side of the paper. I'm just gonna, oh, what is going on today? I didn't even get the glue where I needed it. My goodness. Okay, that's gonna be good. So let me get my gunky scissors because, yeah, I need to trim. I need to trim that like that. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and adhere it to our basic white. And this should be the exact same size. Oh no, I'm already getting ahead of myself. I need to adhere this to our basic white. I'm gonna adhere this down first because this is gonna be the lower level of our card. So we're gonna put that right on the edge here because it should be the exact same size. Okay, now we're gonna take this and glue this to here. Boy, boy, boy. Now it's time to cut. I was premature in my cutting. So we'll have this there like that. And now we can cut the extras off. Ooh. There we go. Okay, and I want to ruffle it up just a bit, just so you know it's fringed. I'm not going to leave it popped up like that, but okay. Now that we made that mess, let's go ahead and cut this as well and get this into the inside of our card. I'll just put that in here. Whoops. I am dropping everything. I'm getting glue everywhere. Okay, so we have that done. Now we're going to take this piece and adhere it to our lemon lolly. I have paper sticking to me because the glue was on my fingers. So we're just going to put this right on our lemon lolly. It's just a tiny bit of border. Just some of the things I changed up from the card in the catalog. And we're going to pop this onto our card base. Just like that. And then we have a star here that I went ahead and die cut from the coordinating dies. And I have some blueberry bushel ink here. Let me close this glue up. I'm already making a mess. We don't need any further. And I'm going to stamp "You Did It" onto our star. Just like that. That's all the stamping is required on this card. And let's see. We're going to pop this up on dimensionals. So let's go ahead and put a few or a couple. I don't know. Let me see if I can use some of these little edges because it looks like I want more. I think I want a little bit more. Okay. Now I'm fumbling with the dimensionals. Lord, help me out on this project. Because I am fumbling the ball. One more up here. I should have just got the mini dimensionals. Okay, so we're gonna pop that up on our card like this. But before we do, I have some of the online exclusive gold trim. It's the 1/8 gold trim ribbon, and it comes in a combo pack with some silver gold trim. So we're just gonna get a little bit of this. Let's see. I want to make a little foldy fold here like that. That's perfect. So let's get that cut out. Where is my my adhesive? I wanted some Stampin' Seal. I think this is the plus, yeah. But you don't have to have the plus. That's just what I have right here. So I'm gonna just put a little line of that to hold our ribbon here. Just like this. And we're gonna put our star right on top of that. And the star says, "You did it." And we want that right there. Oh, in between there like that. Isn't that cute? Do we want bling on this? I think we do. So we're going to use some pastel Adhesive-Backed sequins. And we're going to get the gold. It comes in 2 sizes. We're going to be using both sizes. So let's go ahead and get a big one. Put it there. And get some little ones here. Put it around our star just like that. There you go. Our card is done. Let me move this stuff off of here so we can get a good look at our card. We fumbled through it, right? But we got it done in the end. It's so cute. Let's take a look at the inside again. And that's it, you guys. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.